Imagine walking into a restaurant and being told where to sit based on your race, or going to work and realizing certain spaces are now designated for certain people. Sounds like a scene from the past, right? Well, under Trump's latest executive order, this could become reality again. Donald Trump has issued an executive order that effectively dismantles federal diversity, equity, and inclusion policies. This means businesses, public spaces, and workplaces may no longer be required to uphold anti-discrimination standards. But what does that mean for people of different races, religions, and backgrounds? To understand the impact, we have to look at history. Segregation was once a legal reality in America. Separate schools, separate restaurants, separate water fountains. Civil rights activists fought for decades to tear down these barriers. But now some fear we're moving backward. At work, this order could have serious consequences. Without federal diversity protections, companies can create their own rules, meaning they can legally separate workers based on race or religion. The result? Fewer job opportunities, fewer promotions, and fewer protections against discrimination. For example, a company could say that certain office spaces, lounges, or even promotions are for specific groups. Sound familiar? It's segregation under a different name. But it's not just workplaces. This could also affect public spaces, restaurants, schools, and even hospitals. Businesses could now enforce their own cultural standards, allowing them to decide who they serve and where people can sit. The argument? Freedom of choice. But in reality, this could bring back discrimination that we thought was long gone. So, what happens now? Civil rights groups are already fighting back, warning that this order violates constitutional protections. But it's going to take more than legal action. It's up to all of us to pay attention and speak up. The big question is, are we really okay with letting segregation slip back into our society? Let's talk about it. Drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.